This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at today's economic calendar, then we'll proceed with our gold analysis. Today is Friday, May 27th. When we look at the events plan for today, we have low impacting news coming up, Japanese yen related currency pairs and Australian dollar related currency pairs. Again at 1:30 p.m. we have low impacting news coming up on euro related currency pairs. At 5 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 6 p.m. we have high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. At 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider all these events while planning for your trades. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action in daily time frame, from here it started its bullish trend and it has retraced 100% to the level where it started its bullish trend reversal. And from here we are noticing the price action to bounce back or to retrace on the bullish side. And when we analyze the current trend, from here I am drawing a resistance line. So from this resistance line we can understand that, so if the bullish trend continues, we can expect the price action to retrace up to this resistance level and to bounce back on the bearish side, because in the past we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side whenever it tested this resistance line. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the continuation of this bullish trend. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance line, it is only a range bound market or a retracement from this fall. And when we analyze the current trend of the price action, I am going to be drawing a channel pattern over here. Now looking at the channel pattern, I have connected all the highs over here. And this resistance line had acted as a support line for the previous price action, and it has broken this support line and took support on the bottommost channel pattern support line. Currently this support line is holding the price action from falling further on the bearish side. So since this is a bullish channel pattern and currently the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. Only when the price action retraces and breaks this support line, we can consider it as a bearish trend reversal. And when we check the support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, so currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 38.20% to 23.60% in Fibonacci's retracement tool. This level had acted as a very strong support level and a resistance level in the past also. So currently the price action couldn't break this resistance level and it is on a retracement. And since this green color line is a very strong support line, we can expect the price action to retrace and to again bounce back on the bullish side to retest to break these resistance levels. We have plenty of resistance levels on the bullish side also. So the price action has to retrace every time it finds a very strong resistance level. Then only it can gather enough momentum to go on a bullish trend. So these are all the resistance and support levels for the current price action. So overall when we look at the price action, it is only trading within this resistance and support levels. It is on a sideways for now in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was on a very nice bearish trend and it broke this resistance line and again it went on a bullish trend, and currently when we notice the price action, it has broken this support line or the trend line and it is trying to go on a bearish side retracement. We have the higher time frame support line over here and the resistance line over here. So we can expect the price action to retrace and take support at the support level of 1832, and we have the higher time frame bullish channel pattern running over here. So it has to break this bullish channel pattern support line also in order to fall further on the bearish side trend reversal. So currently when we look at the price action, it is trading between this resistance and support level. It is on a sideways market for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously I had also notified that it was trading within this bullish channel pattern and it couldn't break this higher time frame resistance level of 1869, and currently when we notice the price action, it is on a bearish retracement. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it is on a bearish trend. If the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support at the higher time frame support level of 1832, then to bounce back on the bullish retracement because it is a very strong support level from the higher time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the higher time frame resistance level, which is around 1869. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this in order to analyze the current trend of the price action. Based on the direction of the price action, you can take directional trades. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, we have noticed the price action to test this resistance line from the hourly time frame multiple times, and it couldn't manage to break this resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace on the bearish side. But overall when we look at the price action, it has not broken the previous high and it has not broken the previous low also. So it is on a sideways price action for now in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. We have come to the end of today's analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.